What's the meaning of coordinate clause? Coordinate clause. Coordinate clause.
Coordinate clause. Coordinate clause. A coordinate clause is a type of independent clause that has equal syntactic importance with another independent clause and is connected to it by a coordinating conjunction. It can stand alone as a complete sentence but is often used in conjunction with another coordinate clause to create compound sentences. One example of a coordinate clause is I went to the store and I bought some milk. In this sentence, I went to the store and I bought some milk are both independent clauses connected by the coordinating conjunction and together, they form a compound sentence.